Nori is dried, edible seaweed, often used in Japanese cuisine.
The first time I made dim sum was a little overwhelming, and to be honest, a bit of a disaster. I was working an event and I was thrown into the dim sum station with no direction. I had to serve hundreds of people dim sum. I did it, but it wasn't pretty. But now, I'm a pro. Tofu is a healthy protein with simple flavor. Wide open for me to play. Homemade seasoning sauce.
Tofu's great for soaking up all kinds of flavors.
Then, nori for a briny seafood taste. I don't need salmon. Ginger juice.
Vegetarian dumplings are often called vumplings, at least in my house.
Veggie goals. There's nothing better than dim sum.